Hello, I'm going to go next. So this is a very early demo, even a proposal, maybe. We're working on expanding the all views and fields, or like making it some adjustments to reflect paradigm shifts within Omni about like offloaded and onloaded, or like offloaded and loaded schemas. Now we have the all views and fields. They're going to be stacked by the schema name in alphabetical order. And here with unloaded schemas, you can just click this and it's going to behave sort of as though I'm sharing my screen successfully, right? Yes. Okay. This is going to behave sort of as though it was loaded there, but it's going to be it makes a backend request and like populates this afterwards. So the good news is that you can access these offloaded schemas using these like just like point and click. The bad news is that it really changes. I'm really working with the search performance here to not uh, get angry DMs from Luke and Steven. And I'm also breaking a vow that I made to not go against what Steven told me to do. And so I'm working here to try and figure out the best way to handle the search experience. And right now what I've settled on is you can search within, it's going to auto expand all the open schemas, but if you have the schema closed, it won't auto expand. And that's just because like the state won't be loaded when you're working with it. But the other thing that's nice is you can, if it's not expanded and you expand and load the data, it will auto filter all the results. So the search will still work if you click through the schemas. Um, so let me know what you guys think of this and let me know if you have any performance concerns because I'm still actively developing this and hoping to get it out in front of customers soon. Thanks.